and welcome to Fortrade. My name is Sasha, and in this short video I will explain how to use our platform for trading, Fortrader Pro, to you. Before we start, I want to let you know that you can contact our support center or your account manager for any further information or help whenever you want. It's important to note that Fortrader is an execution-only broker, and any analysis is for general information only and not intended to provide trading or investment advice. We are a member of the UK's regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority. Let's begin. Type our site address, that's fortrade.com, into your browser. And in the top left-hand corner, choose the option Trading. And you will be directed automatically to Fortrader Pro. Here you can choose your preferred language. Type in your email address and your password so that you can get started and log in. Welcome to Fortrade Pro. First of all, I want to point out that this is one of the easiest and most user-friendly platforms that you can find out there. Most importantly, you will find everything that you need here in order to make your trading successful. The whole platform is divided into two segments. The smaller left-hand side, where you can find a list of all the instruments, and the larger right-hand side, where you can see a chart of one specific instrument. Right now we are in practice mode, and you would have 10,000 virtual US dollars to trade with in a real-life trading environment. This is your account balance. Next to this you can see Open P and L, Equity, and then Used Margin. By clicking on Used Margin, you can see Open Profit and Loss, the current state of your open trades, and equity that represent the amount of money that you are left with and that you can still activate. Next to Use Margin, you can see Available Margin. Financial Strength represents measurement of margin utilization from currently open trades, and if you click here, it returns you to Account Overview. Now, you can personalize your Fortrade Pro by choosing your favorite instruments that are going to be displayed automatically in the Favorites section, simply by clicking the star in front of a particular instrument. Here you can see the sell and buy price of a certain instrument, and you should find this useful. On the right hand side, this option provides insight into the market. You can actually see the percentage of traders that opened buy or sell positions on this instrument. Another very important option is Change, where you can see the daily price change of a particular instrument. The minus in front of the number shows you that the price went down. The micro chart on the right gives you the price trend over the last 5 trading days. If you want to see a list of all the instruments, choose the option All. And on the drop-down menu, you can find instruments divided by group: currencies, indices, stocks, commodities, etc. Now, let us choose one instrument to start trading. I will go to Commodities and Energy Products and select Crude Oil. As soon as you click on the crude oil instrument, you can see that chart on the right hand changes, and you are now looking at the movement of the price of crude oil. Click on the I option, which will give you a short description, interesting facts, sentiment, and the daily price change regarding a particular instrument. You can also see trading hours and leverage here. By clicking on Chart Type, you can change the look of your chart too. Japanese Candlesticks chart, bar chart, line chart, and mountain chart, among others. The Japanese Candlesticks chart is more detailed and gives us more information, so we are going to stick to it. You can also open multiple charts and look at the price movement in several different instruments. And you can spread the chart out across the entire screen by clicking Resize Chart. Select the Indicators option here and move the mouse over the most popular, which gives you the opportunity to insert certain indicators to the chart, like Bollinger Bands, MACD or RSI, etc. The time interval option, represented by a clock icon, allows you to change the time frame of chart to multiple options, including 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, day, 1 week or month, and is very important. As I previously mentioned, the Japanese Candlesticks chart is more detailed and gives you more information, so I will show you how to read it. The Japanese Candlesticks chart shows two types of sticks, red and green ones. Red sticks represent the time frame when the price went down, such as this one here. And green ones represent the time frame when the price went up, such as this one here. If you place your mouse cursor on a specific candlestick, on the left-hand side of the screen you will see detailed information regarding price movement in that specific time frame, like open price, which here is 37.75, highest price during that time, which is 38.44, lowest price during that time frame, which is 37.73, and close price, which is 38.43. Depending on your decision, you can either open a buy or sell position. When you click on buy, for example, you will have a new window where you must order your trade. First, you must choose the amount that you want to trade with. Here I will put 10. That means that right now I will open a position to trade with a price of 10 units. In this case, 10 barrels, which is the default you can see here. The bigger the amount is, the more money you are putting into that trade. You have stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop options to choose from. You can find an in-depth explanation about trailing stop and how to place one on our How to Open a Trade video. These stop loss and take profit options you have here are very important for you to understand. These options give you the ability to manage risk of trading before you even open a position. Stop loss represents the level where your position is going to close itself automatically and prevent you from losing more money than you determined. However, please note that stop loss is not guaranteed, and in very high volatile conditions may not stop a larger loss. Take profit is the level where your position will close itself and collect the potential profit that you make and direct it to your account balance. You can activate these options by simply clicking the button to the right and adjusting the desired level. In this case, we are opening a buy position, meaning that your stop loss level should be under the current price rate. The take profit level is going to be above the current price level, in order for you to collect profit in price change. Now your position is set, and you can click on the buy button to open it. And confirm on buy now. You can see all of your open positions on the bottom of the screen under Open Trades, the instrument that you are trading with, the type of position that you opened, the open price rate, and levels of stop loss and take profit, and current profit or loss that you are making with that particular position. Once you open your position, you can always make adjustments and edit it by choosing the Edit Trade option on the right, or close it by clicking on the Close All Trades button. You can also duplicate your trade or use the Hedge Trade option here. You can see the history of your previous trades, if you have any, by clicking on the Closed Trades tab. At the top right-hand side of the screen, you can see an arrow which produces a menu with many options. Choosing the option Switch to Real at the top of the menu will direct you to Real mode. Or you can do this by clicking on the Deposit Funds button before you place funds in your Real account. There is one more thing left for me to explain to you. If you need any kind of assistance while practicing, you can contact us directly from the platform by clicking on the Live Chat or Email tabs at the top of the page, or by calling us on this number. Lastly, I would just like to remind you that all investment involves risk. Your capital is at risk. Thanks for watching. I wish you great success with your trading, and please join us again at Fortrade soon.